Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at GBP USD. To those that are yet to subscribe, if you know you've not yet subscribed, please make sure you do me a favor by just clicking on that subscribe button. Become one of my subscriber. Like, share, also make your comments. If you have anything, you can actually ask or watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBP USD. We can see the trend, downtrend move. We all know before we actually take a trade, first we would want to know the trend, and we clearly can see that this is a downtrend move. A lower lows and a lower highs is exactly what's played out here. We can also see we are trading below our 10 period simple moving average, also our 20 period simple moving average. This is a massive drop, due to the reason of, I think it was about Fed speech, or um, about it. I think it was a suggestion on interest rates still being increased, that they still have an intention to increase it. This is one of the reasons why DXY actually fly up. So, and one of the reasons why any other pairs to our US actually dropped. So this is it right now. We will be expecting a correction, but are we going to be expecting a correction currently at this level? Where I don't think so. I think GBP USD should actually drop a bit before that pullback or a correction will be playing out. At the same time, tomorrow there will be a major news that will be released on the USD, so we need to be very, very watchful. Let's see if we can spot it out. Let's see. There's going to be a major news that is going to be released on about, if I'm not wrong, it will be 2. So this itself is going to affect our DXY, and once there is a much movement on DXY, we expect GBP USD to actually give us that much movement. So personally, when there is kind of like a very serious news like this, I actually don't take a trade. Personally, I don't take a trade because I tend to see a lot of noise, a lot of manipulation and everything. I like staying away from the markets like that. But if you want to go ahead and take this trade, personally, I think GBP USD will actually drop a bit before we can start seeing that bullish move on GBP USD. Let's see what this forward time frame is actually saying. We can see this massive movement, right? So I think this movement will continue downward before that correction will actually play out. Personally, I will not take any trade on USD PS. So to those that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, the link to the Patreon channel is in the comment section. This week, we've actually started this week with a wonderful trade, right? You can see it. Gold, we actually had about 228 pips. We actually grabbed a lot of pips. You can actually watch the video. I'm going to put a link to this will I call it this playlist, by the way. So the playlist is about March 6 to 10. We've actually had about 3 trades, and one of those trades that we had is gold. We have actually had a good amount of pips. So we still have some trades that are still playing out, and it is definitely still running in profit. So if in case you want access to my exclusive content, you want access to high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. If you want access to it, all you just have to do is check the link in the comment section, become my Patreon subscriber, and you'll get access to it. You can just give it a try for just a month. If after a month you are comfortable with the service, then you can continue being my subscriber. If you are not comfortable, you can simply cancel your subscription. So you can give it a try for just a month. The comment section, check the comment section, you'll be able to get the news. So for the news for tomorrow, let me see how many times we will be having it. One, we'll be having one, the New Year section, and we also, I think it is one, and we can see around 4 p.m. First is 2 p.m., right? Second is 4 p.m. So there's going to be kind of like a major news, and a lot of volatility is going to play out on this GBP USD, which we know very much we might not be able to really predict. So it's better we stay away from this trade. But if you want exclusive content, just check my the comment. You see a link to my Patreon channel, so you'll be able to get access to some of my best trade I'll be putting out.